We are Virtue, a student team at Eindhoven University of Technology, the heart of innovation in the Netherlands. We are an international, multidisciplinary team gathering students from multiple nationalities and from several departments of the university, such as built environment, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and sustainable innovation. We are participating at the Solar Decathlon Europe competition in 2021, taking place in Wuppertal, Germany. We are taking on a real-life project where all disciplines come together to serve as a solution for urgent issues concerning sustainability. The Solar Decathlon competition challenges us to design, build, and operate energy-efficient, solar-powered, innovative houses. We will showcase our product along with 17 other university teams from all over the world. Solar Decathlon Europe 2021 is the first urban edition. It aims for broader goals than simply energy-efficient houses. The goal is to tackle energy transition on an urban level by means of resource efficiency as well as revitalization of the urban stock. The challenge is twofold. There is the design challenge, which involves a whole building, as well as the surrounding urban situation. From this, we extract a demonstration unit which we physically build and operate during the competition, thus completing the building challenge. The competition involves a broad scope of expertise by judging teams on 10 contests. The most unique aspect of working on this project and participating in the Solar Decathlon is that you get to physically build a product of your own design.
Hey guys, my name is Willem. I'm a second year sustainable innovation student, and I've recently joined Team Virtue because I was looking for new ways to challenge myself beyond my study. But most importantly, I believe that the built environment is one of the most important factors in reaching global sustainability, and practicing this in a professional setting like in Team Virtue is going to help me greatly for the future.
Hi, I'm Marianna, the communication manager of Team Virtue, and the reason why I joined the team in this position was to bring my professional skills to the next level. But this project is not only about improving your skills, it's also about finding an amazing group of friends to share this unique experience with and have lots of fun throughout this journey.
Are you interested? Then check out our website for more information. You can also follow our journey to build a solar-powered innovative house on social media. Or, if you'd like to join the team, you can still apply now by sending a CV and motivation letter to hr@teamvirtue.nl.